Hey second graders, welcome to our Thursday phonics lesson. We have some words here on the board, and the first thing we're going to do is read these words together. So we have the word hop, op, hop, it, kit, hope, kite, kite, cane, can, cub, and cube. What do you notice about the patterns in these words? What do you observe? What do you see? Some of these words have an E at the end. Did you notice that? If you notice that, pat yourself on the back. Yeah, some of the words have an E at the end. Some of the words do not have an E at the end. Each of these words has a vowel in the middle. So if you look at this word hop, in the middle of hop there's an O, hop. And in the middle of this word can, there's an A, an, another vowel. Even in the middle of cane, there's a vowel, the letter A, okay? Now, I'm going to have you read them with me again, and this time I'm going to ask, what do you notice about how we read the words? Hop, kit, hope, kite, cane, can, cub, cube. What do you notice about the words when we say and hear them? If you look at this word hope, hope, there's a silent E at the end of hope, isn't there? We don't say that sound, but this E tells this letter O it has to say its own name and become a long O. So this word is hope, not hop. Okay? It's the same thing with this word right here. This word is kite, not kit, but kite. This E at the end says, hey, letter I, you need to say your own name. You need to make the long I sound. Good. Okay, so we are going to do a little sorting of these words. We are going to sort these words into two columns. And on one side, we're going to do the short vowel sounds. And on the other side, we're going to do the long vowel sounds. Let's take a look and let's start with hop. So we have this word hop. That's a short O. Hop. Hop. Okay, hop. Oops. I erased the wrong hop. Hop. Okay, so we have hop here. And we have this word kit. It. Kit. That's a short O. Kit. Or short I. Kit. Then we have the word hope. Does hope have a short O? It's a long O. So hope would go over here in this other column, hope. Okay? And then we have the word kite. Kite. Kite would go on this side. Makes a long I sound. Has that E at the end, kite. Now we have the word, let's sort cane. Cane. Where would cane go? Here? Here? Here. Cane. Cane. Good. Cane. Then we have the word can. Where would can go? Can. And then we have the word cub. Like a baby bear is called a cub. They're so cute. Cub. Cub would go on the left side. Cub. And then cube would go on the right side. What do you notice about these words? All of these words have a short vowel sound, don't they? And do they have an E at the end? No, they do not. And the words in this column, they all make the long sound, and they all have a silent E at the end. Now I'm going to write some more words at the bottom. I'm going to add the word fine, fine, and I'm going to write the word I'm going to write the name Sam. Word note. The word same. Not. Fin. And hide. What I want you to do is I want you to pause the video, pause me, and see if you can figure out where each of those words would go. Which column should they go in? With the short vowel sounds or the long vowel sounds? Pause the video right now. Okay, welcome back. Let's see if you did it correctly. So, we have the word fine. Where would the word fine go? Fine would go on this side. Fine. Makes the long I sound and it has a silent E at the end. So fine would go on this side. And I'm going to actually go to that other word that's very similar to fine, but there's no E at the end. What word is that? Fin. I'm going to put fin here in this column. Fin. And now we have the word hid. Where did you put hid? Which column did you add hid to? Hid. It's a short I, isn't it? Hid. But how about that word hide? Where would hide go? Long I. Yes, hide. Good. Now I'm running out of space. Oh my goodness. Let's do this one quick. Where would Sam go? Like Mr. Sam, our music teacher. Where would his name go? Go here. It's a short A sound. Sam. Do you see a word? We have 3 words here. Do you see a word that we should put next to Sam? If we added a silent E to Sam, what word would it make? Same. Same. Good. And then we have not and we have note. Which word would go here? Not or note? Not. And note would go on this side, right here. Note. Okay, we're going to read each word in this column together. So I know you're going to hear me saying it on your iPad, but I want you to read it with me. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause me so you can practice saying the word. Because that's kind of the nice thing about this, is if I'm going too fast, pause. You can pause me. Okay, let's take a look. Hop, kit, can, cub, fin, hid, Sam, not. These words all have a vowel in the middle of the word. They have a vowel, and at the beginning they have a consonant, and at the end they have a consonant. So we have a consonant, vowel, consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. We have a consonant, vowel, consonant pattern. And the letters in the middle are all vowels, and they all make the short sound, right? Now let's look at these words. Hope, kite, cane, cube, fine, hide, same, note. These words all start with a consonant, and then they have a vowel, and then they have another consonant, and then they have a silent E at the end. The vowel sound is usually the name of the first vowel. So this silent E turns this word into hope. Hope. It's the same with kite. Kite, right? You are going to be doing a really fun activity on Seesaw. I think this is the most fun phonics activity that we've ever done. But what you are going to do is you are going to continue practicing this idea of turning words with a short vowel sound in the middle into words with a long vowel sound by adding the silent E. Make sure you follow directions on Seesaw. And if you have to watch this video again, or if you have to pause me, that's okay. But today is our last phonics lesson for the week, so just make sure you do your best work.